The following segment is sponsored by Morris Columbus Travel. Get ready to set sail on the trip of a lifetime. The one, the only, Larry Gelwix is back with more incredible travel deals. Of course you do. Welcome to the show, Larry.
Good to see you again, David. And, you know, I've been thinking about you, and your days of cruising State Street are over.
Thank you. I need to do it legit.
I'm going to put you on the 7 Seas.
How about the British Isles?
This is so exciting. Next July, the 7th to the 20th, I'll be hosting a Morris Columbus British Isles and France cruise. Okay. Now, you pack and unpack one time. All your meals and entertainment are included in one very affordable price. But we'll be visiting England, Ireland, Northern Ireland, which is different, and Scotland.
Okay.
You know, and then down to France. We had a chance to see Paris at Le Havre. Anyway,
it's just 5 birds with one stone.
That's right. It's a great itinerary. England, Scotland, Ireland, Northern Ireland, and France. And what's really nice is we do our own shore excursions.
Okay.
Now, no disrespect to the cruise line shore tours. They're good.
But you've done this enough.
But they kind of planned them for the nearly dead. All right? We have more involved at a lesser price. It's a great cruise, and you can only get this special group discount at Morris Columbus Travel.
Take it from the guru.
There we go.
Knows. He's also known as a Viking in other circles. Tell us about the Viking cruise deals that you got going on.
I should put my helmet on with.
Can you admit? I bet you have a hat like that.
You know, Viking Cruises is a great cruise line. Most cruise lines offer ocean cruises or river cruises. Well, Viking Cruises does it both, and they have been rated #1. And so we have an opportunity for an information seminar with Viking Cruises. Now, next Thursday, September 19th, in Ogden at the Union Grill, it's dinner and a Viking Cruise information seminar highlighting some of the special promotions.
Worth taking the time to come check this out.
It really is. It starts at 6:30 in Ogden at the Union Grill. It is a ticketed event. Tickets are just $8 per person.
We get that at your website?
You can get at the website, morriscolumbus.com, or contact any of our Morris Columbus offices. But it's $8. And remember, that's dinner and the information seminar.
That's a heck of a deal.
Now, the next night on Thursday, September 20th, it's a night with the Utah Symphony. And they have kind of like a Cirque du Soleil performance going on with the symphony. So at 6 o'clock, we'll have a information seminar with Viking Cruises down at a Bravenel Hall in Salt Lake. And then followed by the symphony. Tickets for this are just $10.
Oh, that's awesome.
You can't get into the symphony.
Are you performing with all the entertainers as well?
Well, I thought you would be.
If you're there, I'm there.
Thank you very much.
And we hope that you guys are as well.
That is Wednesday, it is Thursday, September 19th in Ogden, and Friday, September 20th in Salt Lake, a night with the Utah Symphony. Now, they are ticketed events, and you got to get tickets in advance at morriscolumbus.com.
morriscolumbus.com.
Or contact any of our offices with your favorite travel advisor.
The Getaway Guru. Larry, thanks for being here, man.
Always good to see you, David.
You too, brother.